Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the differences or what we'll be discussing initially about what are connected graphs and what are disconnected graphs. So this topic is really easy and simple to understand, guys. So let us take some small examples so that it will be clear for you. Okay, so if you take a simple graph, okay, so let us give some vertices also. Okay, so if there is a path from A to all the vertices, like A to E, A to C, A to B, and A to D, it could be via some other vertex is also fine, but there should be a path. So from one vertex, you should be able to visit all the vertices. Then that graph is called as a connected graph, guys. Okay. Similarly, if there is a no path, okay, so in this graph, try going from A to F, guys. So I'll be giving you 100% lots of time, but now you need to travel from A to F. You can go via any kind of vertex, but basically you cannot go because these two are not connected here or anywhere, right? Yes. So that is the reason why these graphs are called as a disconnected graphs. Okay. Yes. Okay. So connected graph. A graph G is said to be connected, okay, if there exists at least one path between every distinct vertex in the graph. That's what I told you. Disconnected graph. A graph G is said to be disconnected if there has at least one pair of distinct vertex between which there is no path. That's nothing but disconnected graph. So in disconnected graph, you can say that each part of the graph which is disconnected as a component, guys. Okay. Okay. So if you take a small example, here we have just drawn a connected graph in which you can travel to any vertex you want. Similarly, here we drawn a disconnected graph in which there are two triangles which are not connected to each other. So you can say that this small triangle is one component, this triangle is one component. So hence you can say it is a disconnected graph with two components. Got it? Yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about connected and disconnected graphs. So in the next lecture, we'll be going through cut vertex, guys. Okay. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.